Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Technology has outpaced the insurance market's appetite. Ferrex Tim Rainer. 2022 is said to be a landmark year of change in the London market with the evolution of cloud computing, distributed computing via APIs, and data augmentation all starting to culminate in opportunities for the market to be more efficient as it starts to move from analog to digital. This is according to Tim Rainer, CEO and President of Specialty Business Solutions at Ferrex, who spoke to Reinsurance News about the future of the market and the different kinds of technology and data that Ferrex offers to its clients. He said, the landmark year is really the analog to digital journey. Taking advantage of some of the evolutionary benefits, I think for the first time, technology has outpaced the insurance market's appetite. As a company, Ferrex offers a wide range of unique data assets and insight, as well as deep domain expertise. The company is consistently bringing in new ways to help their clients. Rainer explained that one of the key themes that Ferrex is looking at is data augmentation to complement specialty business solutions end-to-end ecosystem of capabilities. Data augmentation can be used in two different ways. It can be used pre-bind to accelerate the provision of quotes. The data can either validate information that has been provided from the distribution partner, whether it be the insured, the cover holder or broker, or the retail agent, or it can be used to pre-fill and reduce the number of questions that need to be asked. The same data can also be used post-bind as part of the management and analysis of in-force exposures through modeling in our extreme event solution protection. One of the objectives we've got is to get down to a single question on an insured asset and address. Then, from the single attribute, we can use our datasets to pre-fill every other risk metric. That risk information then feeds the rating algorithm to provide a price that we would argue is technically more accurate because it's based upon professionally assured third-party data. Third-party, professionally assured dataset are something that Rainer's believe can deliver as much faster quote, bind, and issue experience as well as more accurate technical prices. Rainer highlighted that technology can also help insurers pursue their environmental, social, and governance or ESG goals. We have one of the market-leading providers on ESG indices outside of insurance, and one of the things that we are focused on as a One Ferrex initiative is bringing such assets, in this case Maplecroft, into the London and global specialty markets. Utilizing ESG data sets in pre-bind and post-bind scenarios is a key focus. Rainer also spoke about the Sequel Hub and Sequel initiative that were launched last year and designed to bring market collaboration with a group of leading syndicates to simplify the distribution and of standalone product and delegated authority business. Rainer noted that the Hub allows a collective range of elective services which can be provisioned to support a more efficient distribution chain agnostic of how the placement is transacted or capital managed. Okay, that's for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.